Good morning, ladies and gents, or whatever time you're tuning in. Thanks for joining us today on the channel, and welcome back. We're starting off today with breakfast. This is my pre-workout meal. It's one of my favorite things to make. We've got basically my creation and my own version of a breakfast sandwich. We got two. Kind of looks like something you can get at Wawa or McDonald's drive-thru, but a lot healthier and a lot more anabolic for you. So got some English muffins, some egg whites, some protein fat-free cheese, and turkey bacon. And I'll definitely start doing some recipe videos mixed in here and there, just so you can see like the full step-by-step process. But this is very simple to make, doesn't take too long. And what I did is I put together the approximate nutrients for a meal like this one in particular. So we got about 53 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, 56 grams of carbs, and 18 grams of fiber. So pretty solid meal, a lot of volume, a lot of fiber, a lot of protein. It's gonna help keep me full, take longer to break down with all that fiber, take longer to digest, and a lot of energy that's gonna go into using up for today's workout after this. So let's not waste any more time. I gotta dig in, this is so good. Like I said though, this is one of my favorite breakfasts when I'm not in a pinch and I can take the time to make it properly. So you got the toasted English muffins, turkey bacon, cheese, and egg whites, and this is just really solid breakfast right here. All right, we are on the way to the gym now, and I'm going to be taking you through my current pull day, which is going to be back and biceps, and same regimen as before, you know, training 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps approximately, training hard, close to failure, if not all the way to failure. For either all sets or the last set especially, go all out. And you know, if you're just starting out, I definitely recommend taking it easy, because your body's going to respond very well for just getting into lifting itself. But if you got some experience, and depends on what your goals are, but definitely train hard. Don't train with half effort, you know, give it some effort, close to failure in each sets. But like I said, it all depends really on what your goal is. All right, starting off with our warm-ups again, 5-minute walk just to get the heart rate up a little bit and get warmed up. And then we'll do a simple couple body weight exercises to get warmed up with the muscle groups. And then same thing as last workouts, 4 exercises. We're doing back and biceps, so 2 to target the sides, which will be a lat pull down and some sort of other pull down variation, and then a row, and then maybe a seated row or something along those lines. And then 2 bicep exercises, some sort of curl variation seated with dumbbells, and then a different sort of curl. And then just a quick cool down after that. So let's get this warmed in, get our warm-up sets, and we'll get after it. All right, first set completed that workout. Try to shoot for 10 again. We did that great, and then probably follow up and try to get for 10 again. So if we can't hit 10, 10, 10, let's shoot for 10, 10, 8. Let's get after it. All right, guys, we're back at home and just finished up a great workout. Obviously, when we revisit that muscle group, just like if we're tackling a different body part, we're going to try to progressive overload. So either a little bit more weight, a couple more reps, or just increase the time under tension by slowing the reps down a little bit more. Once again, post-workout meal, protein pizza, a little bit of bacon bits this time. Pick out a good piece here for you. Hear that little crunch on the crust. Good stuff. Little taste test. Really good stuff right there. So we got the pizza and finished off the night with a little bit of ice cream. So ice cream tends to be really high in sugar and calories, especially some like the well-known brands like Ben & Jerry's and Blue Bunny, I think it's called. Some of these pints can run you 900 to over 1,000 calories, depending on which flavor you go with. This in particular, though, this entire thing is 240 calories, just like it says on the front there. So it's not about giving up the foods that you love. It's just about making the better choices. So I'll give you a quick taste test, making sure that with the calorie sacrifice, we're not sacrificing any flavor. And 240 calories, 19 grams of protein, and only 8 grams of sugar for this whole thing. Taste test. Here we go. Delicious. Wouldn't even know the difference between this and regular ice cream. It's so good. So, just about making the better choices. Theoretically, I could eat 5 of these to equal 1 pint of that Blue Bunny or Ben & Jerry's or any other of those other flavors. So, just about eating anabolic and making the better choices. So, a little over 50 grams for the protein pizza and 19 grams for the ice cream. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the second addition to the workout and nutrition content. And we'll catch you in the next upload.